Welcome back to the Country Boys. We're bird hunting today. So we're just gonna walk around the farm, see if we can shoot anything. Maybe skin it?
Yeah, maybe.
Defeather it?
Probably not. Pluck it, maybe. I don't know.
Throw it out in the field, most likely.
Yeah.
So we'll see you there. See you there.
All right, we're back. Oh. It's right there, Isaac. They're all up there. Let's go in here quick. Go in here. Dude, they always hide in here in the winter. Let's go this way.
We'll go this far.
All right, we're gonna go this one over there.
See you when they fly. Try to get up.
Yeah, I did.
Let's get over that one.
Yeah.
We do have some good spots in here.
Yeah, we got some good spots in here. Dude, there's really good light in here. Yeah.
Things.
No, I don't think there'll be anything.
No, because they're on the fence here. Fence right out there. So, oh, Grant, we need the gate. Oh, we can't go this way.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna go back this way. Do my. It's not very good lighting in here.
You think there's any out there in the fence?
No.
Okay.
Let's go back this way. Yep. Yep. Just don't spook them.
Nothing.
Nothing. Hold on, they stay.
Land again.
They missed again.
No, I hit it. I hit something because it didn't hit the tin.
Yeah, shoot it. Hold on. Shoot it. Just watch out. No, don't shoot it. Don't shoot it.
It's.
Yeah. You got action. I told you. There is
One bird. Yeah, let's go.
We got one.
We can't shoot in this building.
Because there's a whole bunch of equipment.
And cows and everything else. But is there any birds?
Ma!
There's no birds in this. Usually that whole line,
Yeah.
all the way down to there, is usually full. Shut up, cows. They're up here. There's a couple go.
Oh, there's one up there. They're straight up.
Straight up there. There's a lot right there.
Yeah, let's go back out.
Right there.
Let's go back out and go into that area.
Yep.
Alright, so we can come in from this side over there. We're gonna try to spook them, maybe shoot at one, and see if they'll go back into the Quonset and shoot.
So that it's open. So we'll try to get over here. without spooking them out. Even though if they do, they'll go, there's rafters up in there. There's a bird up in the tree. Yeah, it ran up there.
Look at them all.
If you shoot at the tree, they might come out of it. They're right up there. Bird, 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 bird. Landed. Okay, Noah, you ready? Bird. Bird. No, they're in that fan. They're in the fan right about there. Those are those two flew out. No more in there. See, there's a couple nests along here, usually.
What if they might be in another window?
See, you can only climb through this hole, which kind of sucks. They're not in that window either. They're probably.
There's one there after up there. See it up there?
Where?
It's like kind of in the middle.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
Right there. Right about there.
Alright, so we're gonna try going back around where I said we were going to, and then we'll go back around there, and there's a bird up in the rafters there.
So we'll try to get behind him.
Walk away on this.
Bird, bird, bird. Out on the outside. Came out of the barn door. Yeah, they're flying up there. No, they're right up on that rafter. Right there, right there. No, I'm trying to film you. Oh,
I got a shot at one.
that bird just moved.
There.
Missed that one.
Oh, jeez.
Bird. Oh, it flew right up in the tree, right up there.
Where?
Right up in that Y gap. There's one moving up there too.
And they're above us. Pretty cool.
They're moving all over the trees. They're not in the buildings today, so they're harder to shoot. There's one right up on that branch. Up there.
Oh, right here.
Where? Hey, where?
Just outside.
Tell us in the comments if you see any that we miss. But, oh, there's more up there.
Yeah, I see them.
Straight up.
I don't want to shoot at them.
See, we don't want to shoot up there, but
There. There's something here.
I know, I just saw them. So we gotta look at these rafters, because that's where most of them hide in the winter.
I like that.
We can even go up to our blind if we really feel like it.
Yeah.
But I think you want to, Noel?
Yeah.
You can go up and sit for a couple seconds. Any up there?
No.